At 10:30 a.m. Tuesday, June 22nd, in 1921, in a small meeting room at the Hotel Cleveland in the center of Cleveland, Ohio, 10 bankers gathered to attend a meeting organized by Mr. W.E. Guerin, manager of the Foreign Department of Guardian Savings and Trust of Cleveland. The purpose of the meeting was to organize an association by bankers for the furtherance and uniform handling of foreign trade. 6 hours later, these bankers adopted 12 articles of association and formed an organization called Bankers Association for Foreign Trade, BAFT, with the purpose, quote, to provide a medium by which its members may interchange opinions and establish uniform systems and methods for the conduct of foreign business, to urge the passage of wise and useful legislation and to oppose the enactment of prejudicial laws, and to aid the development and maintenance of foreign trade, end quote. Mr. Guerin was elected as BAFT's first president. The group also immediately got to work on establishing uniform forms among the banks for use in foreign trade. From the start, these leaders began to build what has become one of BAFT's 4 strategic pillars to promote thought leadership in the industry. The minutes from a board meeting in 1923 articulate BAFT's support of open and competitive financial markets, and the association began to offer affiliate non-voting memberships to non-U.S. banks. The board had been advised that non-voting membership would ensure that the association would be viewed by the U.S. government as speaking solely in the international interests of U.S. banks. In an act of support for BAFT's mission, a number of Canadian and European banks immediately joined. BAFT leaders worked ceaselessly for decades to convince U.S. legislators and regulators that a strong non-U.S. bank community was in the best interest of the United States. Finally, in 2003, non-U.S. bank affiliate status was changed to full member status with voting privileges. This was a major milestone in BAFT's evolution to become a credible and important voice in the global financial services industry. Within the first 10 years of BAFT's founding, a number of committees were formed, including an education committee. Throughout its history, BAFT's education and networking platform has been a catalyst in the development of numerous products, regulatory guidance, and policy recommendations, as well as help facilitate highly valuable and long-lasting friendships among members. By 1971, BAFT's member banks had expanded overseas, and it was clear the organization needed to broaden its government relations mission. During the past 50 years, BAFT's international lobbying activity has contributed significantly to obtaining better treatment for all banks around the world. BAFT's history is truly rich and meaningful. What is striking is that for a century, and in the face of the Great Depression, World War II, and many other transformational global events, BAFT has stayed true to its original purpose and mission. The organization's strategic pillars have been and remain to promote thought leadership within the industry, to conduct advocacy on behalf of the industry, to provide education and training to the industry, and to build a global community across the industry. Not only do we have a great story to tell about the past and present, it is unmistakably clear that BAFT has a bright and exciting path for the future.